Don't let the color in this container intimidate you. Today we're going to go over how to apply this cream blush with a brush and with a sponge. I love wearing cream products. I feel like they blend on my face so seamlessly. It doesn't look cakey and it is buildable. We're going to start on this side, and where you apply it to your cheek is all catered to how your face shape is or how you like to have your blush. We're going to put one little dot right here and one little dot down there. As you can see, it is very pigmented. So I like to go down with the line like that and then build upward. The nice thing of doing this with all cream products is then you can go back in with a sponge later and clean up the areas. Honestly, it blended out so much that I would even maybe add another layer, but let's go over to this side and show how to use a sponge. Again, we're gonna do just 2 dots. You might have to apply a little bit more if you're using a sponge. So same concept, I kind of just did a line going down, and then I like to bring it up, fill up my cheek a little bit more. Yeah, you can see this is a little more higher where this is here. However, I need to clean it up now. So let's go ahead and use whatever is left over, because I use this for my foundation, and just kind of clean it up. So that is how you apply the blush with a brush and with a sponge.